Take a look at this cool Canva smoke effect. It's simple to create and perfect for adding a dramatic touch to your video intros or brand openings. Whether you're making a YouTube intro or showcasing your logo, this smoke effect will make your visuals stand out and feel more dynamic. First, open Canva and click on the Video option. Then choose the video size that fits your project. For example, YouTube, Instagram, or any other platform. Select the right dimensions based on what you need before starting your design. Next, go to the Text section and type the words you want to add. You can write anything you like, such as your title, brand name, or a short message to match the theme of your video. Now, click here to change the font style. You can explore different fonts to find the one that matches your design and gives your text the right look and feel. Click here to duplicate the text. This creates an exact copy. Click on the Effects option, then select the Hollow style. This effect gives your text an outlined look. Adjust the thickness and set it to 20. Now, go back to the Elements section and type pink ink in the search bar. This will show you various pink ink graphics that you can use to add a creative touch to your design. Select the pink ink graphic and adjust it so it fits nicely on your screen. Then, click here to remove the background of the graphic. Right-click anywhere on the screen, go to Layer, and then click on Show Layers. This will let you see all the elements in your design and make it easier to manage each layer. Now, click and hold the pink ink layer, then drag it so it sits between the two text layers. And that's it! Your design is now ready to use. You can download it, share it, or use it directly in your video to make your project look amazing. Finally, click on the Share button and choose Download. Your design will be saved to your device, ready to use in your videos or any other project.